Accuweather senior meteorologist Chad Merrill. Chad, thank you so much for joining us. In-state college, it's got to be chilly there tonight.
Absolutely, and we had a couple of bursts of snow already this afternoon and this evening. As many are seeing across the Great Lakes, we've seen anywhere from 20 to 30 inches of lake effect snow, and that's just from the cold air coming across the Great Lakes over the last 24 hours. We also have a large storm system that is across the nation's midsection that's going to be plowing east as we go throughout tonight and tomorrow. Snow in Omaha, snowing right now across much of Iowa, and this storm is going to move into Chicago and St. Louis early tomorrow morning. So those of you who have holiday shopping plans or are traveling in the Chicago area, watch out because we are going to see some heavy bursts of snow tomorrow. The roads will become snow covered at times, and Detroit will start to see that snow later tomorrow afternoon. To the south, yes, it'll snow in St. Louis and also across much of the I-70 corridor. To the south, there'll be a bit of rain and even a couple of thunderstorms in the Dallas, Waco, and Houston area. That storm system then tomorrow night into Sunday will continue to move east. We'll see some snow in northern Ohio, a bit of snow and rain across central Pennsylvania, western Maryland, and the I-81 corridor. And to the south, we'll see some rain starting to develop. This is a fast-moving storm, but it's going to pack a punch. As a matter of fact, check out the snowfall totals that we are expecting. Chicago, 4 to 8 inches of snow by the time it winds down early on Sunday. And this will likely rank as one of the top 5 biggest November snowstorms on record for the Chicago area. There will be a couple of spots that see upwards of a foot, maybe 18 inches, Waterloo, Des Moines, northern parts of Iowa. So here's our snowfall prediction. Detroit will see several inches of snow, and even St. Louis. There's going to be a tight gradient, though, in the snowfall from St. Louis northward, where we are going to see 3 to 6 inches across the northern part of the state. So this storm, again, packing a punch as it moves eastward. It will cause slippery travel, and in the wake of this storm is going to be some cold temperatures. So what falls is going to stick around for several days, and we'll have the refreeze at night. So some black ice late this weekend and early next week. Now, speaking of next week, we're not done with just this particular storm system. We have another one that's on the table, and this is going to be early next week. Another low pressure is going to careen across the plains up into parts of the Northeast, and the zone from near Pittsburgh up to Burlington will primarily be snow. There'll be a little bit of an icy mix along the I-81 corridor and a little bit of rain off towards the south. The forecast here is showing St. Louis in the bullseye once again for about 1 to 3 inches of snow. A stripe of real estate north of Kansas City could see 3 to 6 inches. And then once we take that I-70 corridor into Indianapolis, for those of you in Cleveland area, in Columbus, Harrisburg, we'll see a stripe of 1 to 3 inches of snow. And then when we get into the Tuesday timeframe, we're looking at 3 to 6 inches of snow north of Scranton, west of Boston into Bangor and parts of Portland, and then a little bit of icing along the Interstate 81 corridor, Hagerstown, Maryland, down towards Roanoke, and a stripe of real estate here across northern Arkansas. So 2 pretty big storm systems as we wrap up the holiday weekend and start early next week with those going back to work.
Okay, so Chad, I have to ask you because people are a little concerned about ski season coming up. How's it looking in the Rockies?
Well, in the Rockies, believe it or not, there will be enough cold weather and some snow in the Denver area. So we are looking pretty good start, especially considering that we're going to have a good bit of cold weather come even after these storm systems move through, and a bit of moisture as well. So we're going to see some good skiing weather in the Rockies to begin the snow season, and many of the resorts in the Northeast too already making snow. They'll get a jump start on the ski season relatively early in December and late November here as well.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.